So now I want to add in something interesting, and so we'll do this as a step, and again later we'll go through it a bit more in detail as to how it works. But this is the certainty assessment. This is a very important point for any type of AI that you're using because, as I've mentioned before, if AI, if ChatGPT, if any of these programs makes a mistake, they're not going to let you know. This is a huge difference between AI and a translator because if you give some text to a translator and maybe part of the text is not clear or maybe it's in a different language, maybe you give them something a Spanish to English translator, everything's in Spanish except a certain text box is in German, they'll let you know. They'll say, look, this part's in German and so I couldn't translate it. Or if you give them a text that's all marketing copy, but part of it is technical medical stuff, they'll tell you, look, this was technical medical stuff. I can't really do it. Or, I gave it my best shot and this is what I did. Or even if they're just insecure about a term, they'll tell you, look, I tried this term, but if you want, you can try that term or something like that. AI won't do any of that. They'll just translate whatever you have, and you'll never know if they made a mistake, if they did the wrong thing, or stuff like that. And so I kind of wanted to correct that a bit with this certainty assessment. What this certainty assessment does is it rates the translation, the certainty of the translation based on the verification process and everything like that. And it'll basically give you a chart that shows you the term in the source language, the term used in the target language, and the reason for its uncertainty. And that way you can sort of evaluate, you can assess whether it should be changed or keep going, or whether you want to tweak the prompt in the future or something along those lines. And while obviously it doesn't take the place of a real translator working with you, it is a step in that direction. I think it does help.